Apis Jagaa bajet pacho ka endie kuro yango ni chuogo agulu mar dongruok mar national infrastructure ok tim kaluwore gi chike matayo omenda mitiyo godo e chenro mopogore mag piny owacho kata the Public Finance Management Act. Maendi owacho kinde chwalo paro ewi agulu no e chenro manotelne gi komiti od bura mar rango weche mag omenda. Nyakidi nigi ler.
Enyim komiti od bura marango weche omenda, jokanyo mag riwruog ISPAC kod Institute of Public Finance ochopo machiwo pachgi ewi paro machuogo aguch omenda mong'ere kaka National Infrastructure Fund. E yote margi ne komiti no, Apis Jagaa bajet owacho ni aguch National Infrastructure okochuogi kaka agulu moyiedhi kaluwore gi chike matayo weche mag omenda mitiyogo e chenro sirikal mong'ere kaka Public Finance Management Act. Wach mabende riwruog ISPAC kod mano mar IPF dware ler. Thor wach kata kamano ne en bedo ni paro machuogo agulu no wacho ni bath omenda mowinjore chwal ne agulu mikete omenda piny owacho duto kata Consolidated Fund ibiro chwal ne aguch dongruok mar National Infrastructure.
Possible conflict with Privatization Act that has barely been implemented and which requires that proceeds of privatization be deposited within the Consolidated Fund. So here we find conflict with the Privatization Act and there would be need for alignment. Some of the goals of privatization were to reduce debt, as well as support government's efforts in fiscal consolidation, and as well as to improve efficiency in public asset management. So by diverting some of privatization proceeds to the NIF, some of these goals may not be achieved, and this is at a time that our fiscal deficit has been expanding other than reducing.
Apis Jagaa bajet kaachiel kod riwruog ISPAC bende ochiwo pachgi ni paro mar chuogo agulu no chiwo teko mathoth ne ten migawo mar omenda ahinya to e yor keto rang'iny kod chike mowinjore.
There are quite a number of infrastructure projects that will traverse or directly impact county jurisdictions. So it's important that the bill recognizes this in conformity with Article 189 of the Constitution of Kenya, and that there should be meaningful intergovernmental consultation which would improve project design, community buy-in, and such could also take the form of consultations with entities such as the Council of Governors.
Establishment of an independent statutory oversight body to supervise the National Infrastructure Fund to enhance credibility, transparency, and fiscal discipline. And this we borrow from the practice in Nigeria, where ring fencing of governance and statutory oversight structure has been adopted.
Chenro no biro dhi nyime odiochieng' makiny ka igeno ni riwruoge mamoko biro chopo mar chwalo gigo mane gihero time lokruok. Nyakidi, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.